Imagine this. In just a few months, you could be selling products on Amazon, generating sales 24/7, and building a business that works even while you sleep. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process to start Amazon FBA in 2025, even if you've never sold anything online before. Stay until the end, because I'll share a bonus strategy to boost your profit margins without spending extra on ads. FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. You send your products to Amazon's warehouse and they handle storage, packaging, shipping, and customer service. You focus on finding and marketing products while Amazon does the heavy lifting. This means you can run your business from anywhere, even your couch. Go to sellercentral.amazon.com, click sign up, and choose the professional plan. It's $39.99 per month, but worth it for the tools you'll get. Use tools like Helium 10 to find products with high demand, at least 300 sales per month, low competition, and priced between $15 to $50. Light, easy to ship, and avoid fragile or seasonal items. Find suppliers on Alibaba.com, order samples to check quality, then negotiate prices factoring in Amazon fees and shipping costs. Create compelling listings with keyword-rich titles, professional photos, benefit-focused bullet points, and storytelling descriptions. Good listings equal higher conversions equal more profit. Ship inventory to Amazon's warehouse, and once live, use Amazon PPC ads to drive your first sales and boost your ranking. Analyze your data weekly, optimize your ads, and as profits grow, add more products to create stable income streams. Here's the bonus. Bundle your product with a small low-cost item to increase perceived value without increasing shipping fees. This boosts your price point and profit margins. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more FBA tips, and comment what product you're thinking of selling in 2025. Now go start building your Amazon FBA business.